Hey everyone, welcome to the Boring Bananas Company YouTube channel. So you've all been hearing about NFTs and blockchain in the news and want to know how to get involved in a new frontier of the internet, Web3. Well, for starters, you need a wallet to interact with websites that are Web3 compatible. The most popular one is Metamask, and it works with Google Chrome. Today I'll be teaching you how to set it up. If this is all very overwhelming, don't worry, I managed to do it and I'm only 12, so I know you can too. I believe in you. Okay, so step 1, go to the Metamask website. Step 2, click Get Chrome extension to install Metamask. Step 3, click Add to Chrome in the upper right. Step 4, click Add extension to complete the installation. And that's it. I told you it was easy. Here you can see Metamask in your browser. Click this icon to pin it to the top of Chrome. You will need this for all your exciting adventures in the NFT world. Next time, we'll cover setting up a new account and how to secure your very important seed phrase. If you want to keep learning or just support a young lad like myself, hit like and subscribe. And if you just can't wait to get involved, follow at Boring Bananas Co on Twitter and join our Discord, link in the description, to be part of the helpful Boring Bananas family and access our community resources. See you soon!